Henry Cavill, star of The Witcher, has reported to have been badly injured while doing a stunt for the show, and he doesn't look well enough to begin filming for some time. I'm Mackenzie, you're watching Beyond the Screen, and let's get into it. While filming season 2 of the hit show, Cavill suffered a leg injury while he was filming on the assault course at Arbornfield Studios in Berkshire, just west of London. Reports say that he was not taken to the hospital, but the 37-year-old was not able to walk properly, so filming wasn't able to be resumed. One source told The Sun, quote, "The filming has been hit because of what happened to Henry. He was on an assault course and injured his leg. He just suddenly pulled up and was clearly in a lot of pain. It wasn't clear if an object had hit his leg or if it was some sort of hamstring or muscle injury," with reports saying that he was working at a height of 20 feet while wearing a safety harness. And since he needs to wear heavy armor for the scene, he's not able to film because the armor cannot be worn with the injury. And this is obviously one huge risk of doing your own stunts, but Cavill insists on it. He spoke about the decision on Variety's Actors on Actors series, saying in the interview that he likes the, quote, physical stuff when it comes to acting, and that working with Tom Cruise on Mission Impossible Fallout made him want to do his own stunts, as Cruise is famous for doing his own stunts. Cavill also feels like performing stunts himself helps his portrayal of Geralt, as fights are crucial to the character, saying in an interview, quote, "If an audience is watching Geralt on screen, they must believe it is me. If it's not me, I feel like I betrayed the character in some way, and so I try to do as much as production will let me." But for an update, the filming for the show has actually restarted after the accident, but they are filming without Cavill, because he's still recovering from the injury, so clearly the leg injury is quite serious. Cavill is expected to be offset for a brief time, but this might complicate filming further because filming was also set to go on hiatus for holiday break late December. And this is potentially the third time production has been suspended this season. First, when actor Christopher Hivju tested positive for the coronavirus. That pause stretched to mid-August as the UK went into lockdown over the spring. Filming was then halted again in November following multiple positive tests. But hopefully with scheduling, they will not have to halt production again. So that's all for the story, guys. Let me know your thoughts below. Do you watch The Witcher? And are you pumped for a second season? And how do you feel about actors doing their own stunts? Do you think it's noble or dangerous? Now, before I head out, I'm gonna shout out some comments from celebrities who saved their fans' lives. I'm So Bored says, "Is nobody gonna talk about Amy Winehouse saving a drowning victim in St. Lucia?" Oh my god, no, I never heard of that. Thanks so much for bringing that up. I'm gonna have to look into that. That's crazy. Sounds like a crazy story. Then astrologically, Aries said, "Norman Reedus saved a trucker having a heart attack that tipped his truck." Like the truck tipped over? That's insane. Again, another one I need to look up. Then Kim said, "I love Tom Holland and Idris Elba, such nice men and sweet to fans." That's always so nice to see when they're protecting their fans like that, especially the Tom Holland story. That is just firstly such a scary story, but so nice how he was able to help out and help that fan in their time of like imminent danger. That is just such a crazy story. Alright guys, that is all for the video today. Thanks so much for sticking around. If you made it all the way here, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you liked the video and want to see some more. I've been your host, Mackenzie Smith, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.